Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. I'm working on the Piper Cub. This is actually a Goldberg kit, which I found out recently. I got a couple of things that I need to work on. As you can see, I've already pulled all the fabric off. I pulled the landing gear off, which is over here. I got to do some cleaning up back here. I know, guys, it's a little messy. I'll do that probably tomorrow. But yeah, so here it's very soaked in with dope and with like gas fuel from the plane. I'm gonna actually end up closing this off. So this is gonna actually close off. I'll probably drill a very large hole in here so I can run all my cabling through. There'll be an electric motor out here. I believe that the cowling should be about this far out. So the motor will go right here. Doesn't need to be a very big motor. Piper Cubs are meant to fly slow, about 80 top speed, maybe 100 miles an hour, 80 miles an hour or less. And just keep the speed up. What have I noticed about this kit? Well, not much really. It looks like it was well taken care of. A lot of weight was taken out, especially this hole here. I don't know if that's correct. And I don't know if this hole here is correct either, but that's the way it looks for right now. One thing I am going to be doing is taking this bar out. I know why this was here. This was here because there was a fuel tank right here. And since there is no more fuel tank, this can come out. So this can come out. And on the bottom is where I will put an actual hatch for the battery. I'll put a hatch there, and then here I will put probably a plate to keep the battery from coming up. And then the battery, yeah. Yeah, I think that's what I will do, is probably either put a hatch on the bottom. I don't know if you guys think that that's a good idea. Or put a hatch, maybe put the canopy, the front canopy, which is this. Maybe I can make this a front loading where the battery can go. Maybe I can somehow make this magnetic. That way I'm able to pull the aircraft up and up and put the battery here. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do me a favor, leave a comment down below. So this Piper Cub is gonna go from being a gas-powered aircraft to an electric. And I am going to take you through the steps of doing so and turning it from a gas-powered aircraft to an electric aircraft. So follow me along with this tutorial and keep watching, because this will be a little bit more in-depth look on how to do that. I've got another aircraft that also is going to be going from gas to electric also. It had a gas motor, and I will point that aircraft out soon, so you'll be able to see. But this is the Piper Cub the way it looks right now. I have not decovered the wings as of yet, but I will get to them after I'm done with the fuselage. So stay tuned, guys. More to come on this bird. Model Man Frank out.